Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Happy 4th of July, but we have a serious problem on this 4th of July. It's a super serious problem. I don't know what to do. You guys are gonna have to help me figure out what to do about this problem. It's a huge, serious problem. What is the problem? Okay, so the problem is, I've got too much stuff. So much stuff. Red bag. So many red bags. 2 containers. 2 containers of red bags.
Hey, we got 37 of these. I know one person needs 37 of
37.
these.
37. What are those?
They're tongs. And if you need 2 tongs at least, 1 tong to use, 1 tong to pick up your tongs. I mean, that's just how that works.
Yes. Okay. So we've got too many tongs.
Too many tongs.
All right. Look, chip clips. Wait, no, not just chip clips, but pretzel clips. How are you going to help me get rid of this problem? 40% off the entire store. Why the number 40? Because it's the 4th of July. I know it's a stretch. All right, stop. Okay, 40% off. Aroma diffusers. We've got so many potion-looking aroma diffusers. Please buy the potion bottles.
We also have spatulas, lots of spatulas, ice packs. I know you need ice packs in your life.
Watermelon, kiwi, oranges. Who doesn't need those?
We need them.
Yes.
We need them.
Yes.
Use your spatulas to flip them on the stove. Why you have them on the stove? Don't know. You'll buy another one though.
All right. So we've got too many of those things. Wait, what is this? This is a bag. This is a bag that will hold a tablet, a laptop, toys, beach items. I don't know. We just have too many. Take them from us. 40% off the entire hookedonpickin.com store. Go to hookedonpickin.com and help us with this problem. Okay? This is a problem. Okay, but what else do we have? Turtles. Why do we have turtles in here? But they're cute turtles. Look at them. They're so adorable. They're cute little turtles. I don't need to keep these. You need to take these from me. Turtles.
We also have lots of containers. Lots of containers and large toothbrushes. So you can use these for your large teeth. There you go. There you go. I'm pretty sure that's what that's for.
Yes, absolutely. Toothbrushes. Okay, what else do we have in here? We have got, let's see, we've got, scoopers. Scoopers for whatever you want to scoop. Scoopers. I don't know why I said it like that, but it's fun. You're thinking pooper scooper, aren't you, Paul? Don't use it if you want. Just don't use them for eating after that. No, use them for soup. It's a scooper for your soup. I don't know why Paul's dying over here. All right, precious moments. Aren't they precious? They're upside down. There, precious moments on a carousel. You need some precious moments in your what?
Large drum baskets. Large drum baskets.
Or decorative candy dishes.
Or decorative drum baskets, clearly. Then we also have wooden utensils.
Bamboo.
If you need bamboo utensils, then you do need bamboo utensils. Also, toothpaste for your toothbrush.
No, oven and grill cleaner.
No, well, I've been using the wrong toothpaste.
But you got the shiniest teeth. All right, what else do we have? We have a food storage container set, but they all have lids. So you can put lids on the food storage container. So many of them. Take them from us, please. All right, we need to clear these shelves for all that stuff. All right, we have, this is a gift for you. You don't get to find out what it is. And so actually, I think this is a Nana gift.
We're all nanas.
Yeah, we're all nanas. Yes. Wait. Everyone needs one of these. It's got a flashlight. It's got a handle. It's got a cushiony grip. It's got extendable poles. Extendable poles. We've got on this
small
walker.
Ropes for if you're going mountain climbing, but up 2 inches. There you go. We got them just for you.
They're hair ties.
Just for you. Oh, I'm sure. Also, massaging oil for all the massages of your life. We have lots of massaging oil.
Baby massaging oil.
You can bathe in it. There you go.
Not bathing. Baby.
You can bathe in the massaging oil.
What's that game over there?
What?
And an amazing game. If you need time tumble in your life, we have it for you. In my humble opinion, it's the best game ever made.
Who made that game?
I may or may not have made this game, but
Tell us
it's
about
a really
the
fun
game.
It's a really fun game.
It's a strategy game. It's a party game. It only takes like 10 to 30 minutes depending on how quickly the gameplay goes.
Is it 40% off?
It's 40%
40% off on hookedonpickin.com. Go to the games and puzzle category to buy this game. This guy made it.
You guys are.
You know what? We need help with this problem. We have too much stuff. All right. Thanks so much for joining us. 40% off on hookedonpickin.com today, and today only. Happy 4th of July. We're super excited. Enjoy your barbecues and shopping. Thanks so much for joining us. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.